Okay, good morning, all of you, and let's start today's class. Okay,
Good morning.
so today we will see one important concept, that is rounding off. Whenever you are doing calculations, sometimes you may get big numbers. So, how to round off and calculate either division or multiplication or whatever it is. So let's see that one, that is called rounding method or rounding off. What is this? Rounding off. Listen carefully now. Stepwise I am telling. Okay, so first point you see, write given number. What we have to do? Whatever they are giving number, you just write down. Write given number. This is your first step. Okay. We have to write down given number as it is. For example, or wait, we will first write steps, then we will go for next one. Second step, let us say, or let us suppose n is the last digit of that number. Let us suppose n is the last digit of that number. n क्या है? लास्ट डिजिट है. ओके. And let us suppose n is the last digit number. Now this n, what to do? See, one flow chart I am giving. This is last digit in bracket n. Now this has three cases. Either it may be greater than 5, yes, or else less than 5 or equal to 5 also. तो चलो वही केस हम ले रहे हैं अभी देखो. This is the last digit n, and now how many cases possible for this? There are three possible cases. So first possible case is n may be greater than 5, है ना? n is greater than 5. n is greater than 5. Next possible case is n is less than 5, or first we will take equal to 5. Okay, equal to 5, and here what you will get, n is less than 5. Okay, right, these are the three possible cases. Means last digit is greater than 5, then what to do, and less than 5, then what to do. Okay, now see, if n is greater than 5, what we have to do, add 1 in previous digit, add 1 in previous digit, and replace last digit
with 0.
with 0 or eliminate. Okay, right. तो हमें क्या करना है, या तो उसको रिप्लेस करना है 0 के साथ, नहीं तो उसको इलिमिनेट करना है. सही है ना? ये कब करना है, जब नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 5 है. when number is greater than 5.
If the number is equal to 5, the same thing should happen, sir, if the last digit is equal to 5.
Yes, I am coming to that point because this is our next case. Now wait for some time. So this is what? First one. Add 1 in previous digit and replace large digit with 0 or eliminate. For example, I am taking one example. First, let's concentrate on this case. I am coming to here. Wait. So example I am taking, listen carefully. Suppose given number is something like this, 6.896. What is the given number? 6.896. Now I have to round off. Now you can see here, this last digit of the number is greater than 5. So what we have to do? We have to add 1 in the previous digit. So this is our next step, 6 point, and this is 9. So again 0 and 1. So this is going to be 6.900. Yes or not? Because this is 10. So 0 and here carry 1. So 6.900. Understand? Or even you can write it as a 6.9 also. Understood?
Sir, can
Yes, sir.
second?
Yes. One
Yes,
more
sir.
time. One more time I am repeating. Listen. 6.896 is the number. This is last digit is 6. So as last digit is 6, you have to add 1 in the previous digit, but already here 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 and carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And that's why 6.900, because we have eliminated this or replaced by 0. So 6.900 is nothing but 6.9. So like this we should round off. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more example I am giving here. Listen. Suppose now like this you have number. क्या लेंगे? 8, 5, 7. 8, 5, 7. Now in this last digit you see, is it greater than 5? Yes. So what we have to do? Add 1 in the previous digit. So what you will get? 8. And this is 5 plus 1, 6. And this we have to replace with 0. So what you are getting? 860. Yes, Harshvardhan, right. Sir, how did you get 2 zeros? You understood? Gayatri, this 6 when I have added here. Yes. So 0 and this one will go here, right or not? Understood? Gayatri, you understood? Okay, good. Right. So this is what our first case. Now let's move here. I'm just shifting this box little bit this side. Because I need little more space. Okay. Right. So now second case is what? N is equal to 5. So there you will get again 2 cases. So I'm changing color. So we are getting 2 cases here. What are those 2 cases? Listen carefully. Concentrate. Don't sleep. Okay. हाँ, यहाँ पे देखो 2 cases आएंगे. How many cases? 2 cases. What are the 2 cases? The 2 cases are before digit maybe odd or maybe even. Before digit is even. Okay, before digit is even. This is what? First case. And here another one, that is before digit. हाँ बोलो क्या होगा? Is
Odd.
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 so before digit is odd. These are the 2 possible cases. अब क्या करेंगे? See here, before digit is even, before digit is odd. These are the 2 cases. So here, if this before digit is even, then what to do? Let's see. Before digit is even, eliminate last digit or replace it with 0. Okay, क्या करना है हमें? eliminate last digit or replace it with 0. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैं एक एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं यहाँ पे, आप देखो, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेंगे, वन एग्जांपल, व्हाइट कलर लेंगे, ओके, ये देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल समथिंग लाइक दिस, 385. Who will tell me? Now this is last digit is 5 and before digit is
380.
very good, 380.
Sir, it can be 390, no, sir.
Uh,
Sir, it can also be 390, no, sir.
that's what rules you see. Last digit is 5 now. More than 5 means 390. If equal to 5 and before digit is even, you just keep as it is. That is, this is even number. This 8 is even number. And therefore even, and this we have to replace with 0, and you round off this number as a 380. Understand? One more example, see here, 6 point, suppose 4 and this is 5. Now this is last digit is 5, before digit you see even, so how I should replace? 6.4
6.40.
0 or even 6.4 also, because I can eliminate also this 0, or this is equal to even 6.4, है ना? Yes,
Sir, we can write
Yes.
380 or
yes,
excuse me, sir. We can write 380 also as 338, sir.
दुकान में गया तू,
First example.
हाँ सुनो सुनो, दुकान में 385 रुपए लेके गया और दुकानदार ने तेरे को 38 रुपीज नहीं, 385 बिल हुआ और तूने 38 रुपीज दिया, तो क्या देगा वो? If you went to shop and you have to give 385 rupees but you give 38 rupees, is it okay?
No, sir. No, sir.
So how
No,
you,
sir.
how you can make 385 rupees as a 38 rupees? So always you have to replace with 0 or eliminate in the decimal cases. You cannot do like that. 385 direct 38, how? 385 rupees and 38 rupees. We have to sell our company then. Yes, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's move ahead. Now, see here. Before digit is odd.
Excuse me, sir.
Before digit is odd, what to do? If before digit is odd, then add 1 in before digit. And eliminate or replace last digit with 0. ठीक है, एक एग्जांपल मैं लेता हूं, एक बार देखो इधर नीचे, one example. Three, 7, 5. Now last digit is 5, but before digit you see this is odd. So what you have to do? Add 1 in 7. So what you will get? 380. Understood?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
why not 370, sir? It's all rounding off.
Arre, that's what we are learning, Nare, rounding off rules. Okay. These are the rules. Okay. If
Sir,
suppose
why not 370, sir? Why only 380?
if 371, there is range ray 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to that, if it is there, na, then we can take 370. If it is in case of 5, if before digit is odd, then we have to make even. Okay. There is range. Beyond 5 means we go to 8. Okay. Like this. Even 5 and beyond 5, we will go to 8. Below 5 means we will go to 7 only. Understand? Next
Sir,
one.
why we have to make it even?
Yes, sir.
Why? This is what rules say. Why we have to make even means because see, for rounding off it is easy now for calculation. 380 something is there, some number is there. Suppose let us suppose 370 divided by something like this 375. Then how we will do this? 375 division is little bit difficult, we can say, in some numbers. So this is 370 divided by this is how much you will get 380. 0 cancel. है ना? So like this you can round off na this number so that it is very easy for calculation. That's what this method is, rounding off. So that all points we have considered so that answer should not change, and according to that only we have made these rules. So that even though you will take this rounded off numbers, you will get nearest answer to the actual one, because it is very difficult to calculate these type of big numbers 39978 divided by 45678, like these numbers are there. It is very difficult, so we have to round off these numbers and then only we can calculate, because in exam there is no calculator. Understand? So first you learn this, then when problems will come now, then that time you will be understanding more why we are rounding off like this. So next one you see. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next one more number I am taking, that is like this. Let us take 4.675. Now see, this is also last digit is 5. Before digit is odd, so we have to add 1 in that number. So 4.68. Right? So this is what your rounded off number. Even you can write 0 also or not also. No value for this 0 after decimal point. But before decimal point, 0 having so much value. Keep it in mind. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one. Now the last case, that is if n is less than 5. So switch off the videos, those who have turned on. So if last digit is less than 5, if last digit is less than 5, what to do? What to do if last digit is less than 5? Eliminate or replace by 0. Eliminate or replace by 0. Eliminate or replace by 0. This is what the last one, when n is less than 5. जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं मैं, आप देखो एग्जांपल 373. Now this last digit you see, this is less than 5. So if this less than is 5, then what to do? Just eliminate this number or just replace with 0. So 373 is very near to 370. है ना? Okay. This is what first example. Second example, I am taking something like this 4, 4, 4. Now see, this number is again less than 5. If I want to eliminate, what I will do? Just this is 4, 4, 0. Okay. Clear hai? Just eliminate this or replace by 0. Understood? If it is less than 5. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये नोट डाउन हुआ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone noted?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. These rules you see properly where we have to take odd, even. So let's solve some examples, then you will understand better. Finish this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you will learn some examples, then you will understand nicely. So let's see some examples. See here. Now listen this, how I am rounding off. First listen, then I will give some examples to do. Now see first of all last digit. This is a last digit, it is 5. So if last digit is 5, we have two cases. We have to go for before digit. We have to go for before digit. Is it odd or even? It is odd. If it is odd, add in the previous digit. So 3, 8, 6.
8, 6, 0.
Okay. Understand? Next one. Now this number, you see 4, 6, 7, 8. So now let's see the last
4, 6,
8,
4, 6, 8, 0.
4, 6, 8, 0.
So you can see easily this is 4, 6, 7, 8 is very near to the 4, 6, 8, 0 है ना. 4, 6, 8, 0 means nearly equal. So अब यहाँ पे देखो ये जो एक ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा 4, 6, 8, 0 है ना. उसके बाद ये वाला जो है, हाँ अब देखो ये जो लास्ट डिजिट है, दिस इज लास्ट डिजिट इज 5.
3.990. 3.990.
हाँ तो ये 5 है. So again we have to go for before digit. Is it odd or even? Even. If it is even, just last digit we have to eliminate. 3.9.
3.980.
If you will write 0 or not an issue. Next one, you see this one.
4.3.
4.3.
This number is less than 5. Okay, less than 5 means simply we have to eliminate or replace with 0. So this is 4.30. Okay, or even 4.3 also you can write, or even 4.3. 3 also. Okay. Next one, you see this number. Who will tell me?
1.110.
110, or even you can write it as a 1.11 also.
1.11.
Yes. Next, yes, tell me this number.
34360.
You see here also this last digit is less than 5 and before digit is even, so no need to add, just 34360. Okay, and last one you see,
98.70.
8.7.
yes. So again,
98.70.
less than 5, so less than 5 minutes eliminate, so 98.70, or you can say 98.7. Understood? Any doubt? So always keep it in mind. See, a brief view. If n is equal to 5, there are two cases. Before digit is odd or even. If even is there, just eliminate. Okay. Odd is there means add 1. है ना? And if n is greater than 5, definitely what we have to do? Add 1 in previous digit, eliminate last one. And n is less than 5, simply eliminate. है ना? Yes? Simply eliminate karna hai.
Yes, sir.
This is what the brief of whatever we have learned.
Ade?